Oh my goodness. Your hair looks amazing. Oh, thank you, darling. This little old thing. I followed Teaira Walker's video on YouTube. I recreated
How
it.
did you get it to look like that? I'm not familiar with YouTube.
Well, first, have you not washed your hair, darling?
No, I haven't.
Okay, first things first, shampoo, condition.
Shampoo, condition, got it.
And then you're gonna need to. Are you not taking
Oh, no.
notes?
Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Then you're gonna just apply a little leave-in, and then you're gonna go ahead and blow out your hair. Nice
I'm
silky
sorry.
Blow out, yes.
I'm natural, so I don't use heat. I don't blow dry.
Honey, heat protectant powder brush blow dry. Now.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna go get started now.
And then come back in here and watch this video with me.
What is up, you guys? So I'm going to show you how I got that extended braided pony. Again, I'm following Teaira Walker's video here on YouTube, but I thought I would do it for the girls with the thick curly hair, you know, like that it don't get super silky for you, and you don't want to flat iron your hair. Okay, sis, I'm here for you. Okay, so I just blew out my hair, as you can see, and then I applied some jam to my hair. And the reason why I'm not showing the products I'm using, because y'all, these companies are not paying me, okay? So I'm gonna stop giving them all this free promo, okay? So yeah, I just applied jam, and then I'm just slicking my ponytail up to where I want the braid to sit. I'm trying to get this like pretty like spot on, because I don't plan on taking it out and redoing it, so you won't really have time to, or a place where you adjust the placement. So just get the ponytail pretty much where you want it to sit on your head, and then boom, go ahead and apply your elastic or your scrunchie or whatever. And then I'm just using some braiding hair. I took 2 bundles of the braiding hair, and I cut the rubber bands off that come with them, and then I took half of the second bundle and put that with the first bundle, and then I put the other half to the side because we're going to use that later. So I have about 1.5 bundles there, and then I apply a elastic to it, kind of like how it comes when you buy it, but I didn't want to use the rubber band. I used like a scrunchie so it wouldn't be as damaging to my hair. So I just apply a scrunchie to it. I like kind of loop it through the hair. And then I am going to go ahead and apply that ponytail to my head. And I'm just going to loop it around once because I already got a scrunchie on there securing my hair. So it's not to secure, it's just to get the braiding hair on there, okay? And then I'm going to flip it over my natural hair. So the weave is on top, my natural hair is on bottom, and then I'm separating it into 3 sections to braid. And I'm also going to take a little piece of braiding hair, and I'm just going to put that to the side, and we're going to focus on that later. So I'm separating it, and I'm putting these little clips on it so I can have it all separated and have like neat sections, natural hair and the weave. And then I'm going to take a little jam again, and I'm going to apply that to my hair to kind of help it mesh with the weave a little bit more, so you don't have like a lot of your hair freeing out or sticking out. So I applied a little of that. You can apply it as you go, but I find it a little easier if you apply it first. And y'all, I'm sweating. I know you saw the little sweat stains, girl. I'm sweating, honey. This is hard work. This is a workout, honey. This, you don't gotta go to the gym if you do that. I'm just letting you know you done did arm day, okay? So you want to flip it all to the back and just try to braid as nice and tight as possible. I know you can't really see what I'm doing right here, but you're braiding it really tight because you want it to be close so it can look really natural. Like you can kind of see it from the side. So then I started applying that hair that we put to the side, that half a bundle, and I'm separating that into 3, and I'm going to apply each one. I'm going to feed each one of those pieces into my braid, just so it just doesn't get too small by the time my hair ends. So as your hair starts to end, that's when you want to start feeding that hair in, so it won't get super skinny super fast. And also you can do this if you just want your braids to be a little longer, a little thicker. You can feed hair in, but I started feeding it in when my hair was ending. So I went ahead and I fed in each piece of that hair, and then I'm just gonna braid it down. Make sure you're braiding nice and tight, not tight to the point of getting yourself a headache, but you want the braids to look nice and uniform. So then I'm just braiding all the way down, as you see. Just braid all the way down. Keep it nice and tight so the braid can look uniform from beginning to end. And then, you guys, to end off the braid, I'm just adding a little elastic to the end. And Teaira Walker, she did a blunt cut at the end of her braid. She didn't dip or anything, so that's what I decided to do. I'm just going to do a nice little blunt cut. And then I'll show you how it looks at the end. And just a little blunt end. And then, of course, we're going to take the hair and, I'm sorry. First, I decided to mold my ponytail a little bit better. I'm using foam. If you are an OG, you know which foam I'm using, but your girl ain't finna say which foam I'm using because they not paying me. So grab a foam and foam your hair down. But if you're an OG, if you've seen any of my videos, you already know which foam I'm using. Actually, let me know in the comments. Like, if you know which foam I'm using, what brand, go ahead and drop it in the comments for me real quick. So I'm just like foaming and slicking down my hair or whatever. And then this is where you would just really get into, you know, just shaping it and making sure all the hairs are where they need to be and in place and get it looking how you want to. And also, of course, doing the edges, doing the little baby hairs, or for some of y'all, your little broken pieces in your adult hair. I ain't lying. Some of mine is broken, but it's okay. It's okay. We make it into art. Yes, we do. On this day, we make it into art. So you get to slick in, slickage, do what you do what works best for you. Take your time and craft your edges. I didn't take as much time as they probably deserved, but you know, get to slick and do what you got to do. And then apply those little wrap strips or whatever they're called, or a scarf. You know, around here I'm 2 scarf shawty, so I did apply 2 scarves to this process. I think you only see one, but you know. But if you know, you know. I applied 2 scarves, okay? And you know, just foam down your baby hairs. Make sure everything is nice, neat, and in place and looks very uniformed. And then I think I'm finna jump back into the braid after I apply the scarf. I think. Am I? Well, let me tell you real quick. So you see that little tiny piece of hair that I left aside to use later. So I was just going to use that piece to wrap around the base of my braid, right? I was going to foam it down, as you see I'm doing, and wrap it around. That didn't work out. Come to find out, it was a little too skinny. I should have left out more hair. So I was going to take a piece of hair for some braiding hair that I had, and I was going to go ahead and just tie that together somehow and then wrap it. But then I came up with the idea to braid it on. So boom, this is what you see now. I grab another piece of hair and I was gonna try to tie it some type of way, but then I was like, why don't I braid it? So I legit braided this all the way down. I did it kind of like you would do like a box braid. Add some hair and braid your hair. So I'm braiding it down, and now with this thicker hair, I'm braiding it kind of loose because I don't want it super tight and super skinny. And then I'm going to use that braid to wrap around the base of my braid. And I'm just going to wrap that around. I changed it a little bit after the video was done. I kind of just wanted to get it on there just so it can get better position. But yeah, I just braided that and wrapped it around, and that made it look really cute. A little nice little spin to it. And, you know, position it how you want. Get what you need to get done. And y'all, that is it. And then let your hair set for a little bit, and you are done. That's the finished look, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below. Go ahead and comment, and finish setting your hair, you know, and check out my little outro. It's super cute. Check it out. Check it out.
Oh my goodness, I think I did it. Look, I think I did it. That, oh my goodness. Like, does it look great?
Yes, darling, you look amazing. I love it.
You know what? Tell me
What?
the name of those YouTube channels. I gotta subscribe. I got to subscribe.
So,
okay,
first,
you said Teaira Walker, right? Okay.
Yep.
And then who was this girl?
RISHAAMARIEE.
Huh?
RISHAAMARIEE.
Okay.
Everybody should be subscribed to her.